Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and if you're wondering why my background looks weird and why does everything look weird, it's because my computer is broken and I can't edit my videos right now, but I wanted to get some unboxing videos to you, so we're gonna go ahead and do that on my phone, and going to unbox HorrorPack. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. I do the DVDs, so you get 4 DVDs. I think it's $24.99. So it's kind of like getting 4 DVDs for the price of one. And there is typically one limited edition DVD in each one. I think last month, we got 2 limited editions. So that's really cool. Let's see what we have in this one. There's 4 DVDs. The very first one is The Dead Room. Whoa, you're getting my reflection. The Dead Room, right there. This is, I've never heard of this. It looks like it's, it says it's inspired by a 1970s urban legend. That's really interesting. I remember urban legends from back in the day, like the urban legend of the ghost who rides a motorcycle and then he gives her the jacket and then the next day he sees the jacket on the headstone. Or do you guys remember Drip Drop 1 and Drip Drop 2? What about when the log rolls over, we are dead. We are dead. Do you guys remember any of those stories that kids used to tell? Anyway, they're really crazy. Okay, the next, I mean, it's just really funny that kids retell stories, you know, like that. And they have names and all this lore to them. Okay, so the next one is Unsane, which I've never heard of this one either. Oh, it's Steven Soderbergh. Okay, I like him. But I haven't seen this one. But I will see it now. Okay, then Crazy Too Crazy. That's the next one. I think this is the HorrorPack exclusive one. It doesn't say what it is, so I guess I'll watch it and find out. I am really behind on my reviews for you guys, but you can't be mad at me. I've got so much going on. Our antique store just moved. We're in a new space. We had to fill up that space. We've been working on that. I am a long hauler. I've been working on my health issues, although I'm happy to say I've been feeling better. I mean, you could probably tell I have a little bit more energy, but I've been feeling so much better the last like 2 weeks. Anyway, then we have The Domestics. That's our last one. It says it's a terrifying post-apocalyptic world inhabited by murderous gangs divided into deadly factions. So there's people that are trying to survive, but they're pushed to the breaking point. I'm paraphrasing here. But anyway, this is the back of that one, and it looks pretty interesting. Anyway, that is it for my HorrorPack unboxing. Tell me what you think. Tell me what movies you want me to review, or if you get HorrorPack, and tell me what you think. Do you get the DVDs, and are they different? I would like to know. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today on my unboxing. Thanks for watching.